Here we'll be going over the light power on-off component. Now this component allows a light to be powered on when it is receiving enough power from a certain power grid. So this requires an existing power component, and you can see this light here is attached to grid 0 and requires 1 power to be powered. So knowing that, the power on-off component will activate when it receives enough power, and there are 4 fields. The first is the power on intensity. This is just the light intensity that'll be reached when it's powered on, and we'll actually set that to 8. And then the power on duration is how long it'll take to reach that. So right now, if we were to power this light, it would take 5 seconds to go from 0 intensity to 8 intensity. The flicker scale is what the max flicker intensity will be set to if the light had a flicker component. So if the light was supposed to flicker when it was on and when it was off, you could increase the intensity of the flicker but still have the flicker happening. And the disable flicker checkbox, if it is checked, it'll disable any flicker effects that are attached to the light if they are attached to it. So in this example, there will be no flicker attached to this light, but those 2 options exist to interface with the flicker component if you have a light that has both of these components. So now to test this, if we go into the game and then power on the generator, you'll see that the light will also turn on over the course of 5 seconds until it then hits its max intensity.